Welcome to Zen Supplies. Today, we're going to look at how to create an order within our system. So first of all, and the easiest way to do it is going to be to use what we call quick order. So imagine this. We're going to select quick order and all the products that you have entered into the inventory will appear under the button All. So now, if you have the feature and a functionality that allows you to create storages, you will see all the storages that you've created in the past. With storages, it's easy to go through all of your products, just look at the products in each individual storage, update the quantity, and click the Add button, which will automatically place the product into the shopping cart. That's the most easiest way to create an order. And then after the products are placed into the shopping cart, you can just go in a shopping cart. It will open up the option for the quick order approval. And depending on your settings and permission level, you will either be able just to select the price comparison products and then proceed to checkout, or in case if you're a lead assistant or assistant, the system may ask you to request the approval. And so instead of proceed to checkout, this button may change to request approval. Now, what happens if you don't have the products in the inventory? That's very, very important to remind you guys that, first of all, with Zen, in order to go with a quick order or the second option, restock inventory, which I'll cover in a minute, you need to make sure that all the products in the inventory, just like your shopping list. So inventory list is here, 14 products are here, all of the storages are listed here. With the plus button, you can easily create the storage. And at the same time, if you need to add a product into your inventory list, you can go to demo catalogs. Using the filters and sort button, you can filter out or sort out by the distributor that you want to be looking for, and then search the product, add it into the inventory, and then go through the quick order process. That's number one. So the second option, which is a little bit more challenging, is the restock inventory. So how does the restock inventory work, which is the button right here? First of all, let me take you back to the inventory. Under my inventory, in case if you created storages, if not, it's just going to be under all. For the products that you would like to manage in the restock inventory, you will need to assign the quantities. What do I mean by that? So let's go into the storage called most used products. You will be able to, or disposables for the sake, you will be able to, for each product that you want to track, you will be able to assign required quantity and quantity on hand. So what it does is, for example, for this light again, you say we need to have 6 boxes a month. You currently have 2 boxes sitting on the shelf. So what the restock inventory does, the system will calculate the difference and show it to you under the restock inventory. And so if we go back here, you will see the same example under the restock inventory. So currently, at the moment, our system does not have the notification system. If you're running low on something, we're just relying on you to go on Zen once a week to click on restock inventory and see what are the items you might be potentially running out of. Another nice feature about Zen Supplies, if we know that you need to have 6 a month, you currently have 2 in a shelf, and if 3 are being shipped right now, the system will not allow you to place more than what you need. So 3 will be shipped, and that's what the system will remind you here. All the items listed here will help you to create an order. Basically, the system says there's a difference between the quantities. If you don't like the product to be in this restock inventory, you can remove it using this button, or you can remove entire storage using this button. And then you can review the quantities. You can up and down the quantities however you would like. And if there is a room in the budget, you will be able to send an order for approval. If your role does not allow you to submit an order for approval, you will just, again, depending on the budget settings, you will either send it for approval or send it directly to distributors. Now again, the approval for the restock is going to be also under the shopping cart here, but you're going to have to click on it and go into the restock approval. So restock inventory, restock approval. In the same concept here, you will see the prices, you will see the price comparison, and whatever product you find cheaper, you can select it and then select proceed to checkout, and that's how to create an order within Zen. Now, again, just a reminder, the biggest challenge for our clients or our new clients is to remember that in order for products to appear either in quick order or restock inventory, they first have to be in my inventory. So focus on my inventory, make sure that you have items under my inventory list. And after that, it will be a lot easier to go into the quick order, add products in shopping cart, or go with the more challenging route, but which is the more rewarding route, is to assign the quantities, track the quantities with our iPad application, and then be able to submit the restock. We hope it helps.